Austerity versus quality. Can cost to serve analytics bridge the gap? In today's climate of economic uncertainty, organizations are under immense pressure to cut costs. The common belief is that this inevitably leads to a decline in service quality, but what if there was a way to reduce expenses without compromising customer experience? This is where cost to serve analytics comes into play. So, what are the challenges? Budget cuts often lead to blanket cost reductions that can harm service quality and customer satisfaction. The traditional approach fails to consider where money is best spent, risking long term damage to an organisation's reputation and, in the case of public services, potentially causing social harm. Is there a solution? Cost to serve analytics provides a data driven framework to identify inefficiencies, prioritize value, and optimize resource allocation. By analyzing the true costs associated with delivering each service, organizations can make strategic decisions on where to trim expenses without compromising quality. This approach allows for targeted cuts, ensuring resources are directed toward activities that deliver the most value. Is service decline inevitable? Austerity does not have to mean a decline in quality. With data driven insights, organizations can make precise adjustments rather than blunt cuts, maintaining or even enhancing the customer experience. Cost to serve analytics challenges the narrative that cost cutting must come at the expense of service quality. In conclusion, cost to serve analytics offers a practical approach to navigating austerity. It helps organizations make informed decisions about where to optimize resources, enabling them not just to survive, but to thrive in challenging economic conditions.